Hello viewer, I have a package. It's heavy, ow. For some reason, Phenyx Pro decided to send me a wireless system. So we're gonna check it out and a lot of other things today. Behold the product. This is the Phenyx Pro PTU-2U wireless dual microphone system. Knife. Oh yeah, I actually don't think we're gonna need a knife. Dang it, dude. Foam. Oh, this is the actual thing. Okay. Oh, wait, that's heavy. Hold on. You're gonna go on the floor. You're gonna go over there. And then here are the actual microphones. Make room for the key light. Oh, yeah. Batteries. What even brand are these? Mic 1. What in the world are these? This. Oh gracious. Of these. More foam. Anything else? No. Okay, so you go over there. The box also has to go. Actually, I need the instruction manual. Give me a second. Ah, there you go. I don't know how to read. Everything's still in its wrapper, and I'm gonna make room for the actual device itself. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Oh, that's the back of it. Oops. Oh, that's clean. This actually looks so clean. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it in my setup because I don't have a channel rack for my desk. Come here. More garbage. This is so hard to do this with one hand, by the way, so you guys should be impressed. Okay, looks like in total, we've got the actual channel rack, the 2 mics, the power cable, a charging, no, that's an aux cable, some kind of grommets, the actual antennas, that's what these were, some batteries, and the manual I can't read. Okay, now everything's out of its packaging. We've got a pile of garbage right there. So far, this thing looks extremely professional. I'm gonna start a podcast now. Okay, seriously, I gotta read the manual now. It's like an ancient black magic. Okay, I've paused reading the manual because I'm trying to figure out where to actually put this thing, and I think having it under all of these things as like a little tray would look pretty nice, but first we gotta put on these little rubber feet. Let's do a cool transition, and boom, that looks really clean, I'm not gonna lie. This is me before I've edited it. I have no clue how good the transition's gonna be, just let me know, please. Now it's time to hook it up to power, to my sound system, and attach all of the antennas. Here we go. Is it montage? It's montage time, yeah, it is. Pause the montage. I've run into a problem. The audio cable that's meant to connect the system to my audio system is too short. Okay, we're gonna resume the montage of me going to the store and buying a new cable. Yeah, so Best Buy just didn't have the wire, so we're gonna have to go to the other music store. I have finally returned. Oh my gosh, there was like 3 trains blocking my way home, so it took me so many detours to get here, but I finally got the 2 cables, one of them to connect the box to my sound system, and the other one to fix an issue that I've already had, so I just figured I might as well buy a cable for it and fix it now. And now the box is connected to my sound system. The cable they gave was way too short, but it did come with this little adapter at the end, which might come in useful later. I also installed these anti-roll rings on the microphones, which look pretty cool, I can't lie. And with that, the Phenyx Pro dual wireless microphone system is set up and ready to go. Oh, that looks sick. This microphone's on, and this microphone is on. Those look so good. I have literally just plugged everything in, turned everything on, and it already works. Hold on, I have to put the microphone next to the speaker so you can actually hear what I sound like. We're gonna put this thing right there. Let's do right there, perfect. And you can still hear me perfectly fine. I don't have a microphone on me. It's not like clipped. It's playing from this microphone into the sound system, into that speaker, right there, and then into the microphone, into the phone. This is the weirdest audio setup ever. Again, if you don't believe me, literally from here, that's crazy. Back. Thank you very much. I literally haven't tweaked any settings. I just plugged it in and it worked right off the bat. I'm gonna go into the computer, use the webcam, and see how it sounds from the computer side. Please excuse my webcam. I know it's not the best, but for the sake of this video, I have to turn it on. Just bear with me. This is the audio coming in from my Mayona microphone that I've been using for like 3 or 4 months. It's this one. It's not coming in from this microphone. This will be our baseline test, and we'll compare the sound coming in from the Phenyx microphone to the Mayono and see if it sounds even remotely as close. And this is the audio coming into the Phenyx Pro microphone. As you can tell, it's this one, not this one that's on. You know what? I'm just gonna leave. I'm gone, and I can walk away. It's not tied to my desk. Look at me. If I want to leave, you know what? See you guys. I'm leaving. And I'm still all the way out here. This is crazy. I'm outside and you can still hear me. Now, obviously, we are not going to stream that way. That would be kind of boring to have nobody on screen and just a bunch of audio. That said, you can go anywhere you want. I can walk over here. Hey guys, I can stand creepily in the corner of the room and just stare at everybody. Hello there. I see you. All jokes aside, this is the PTU-2U-2H True Diversity Dual Wireless Microphone System from Phenyx Pro. This is what it sounds like, raw. I have no filters on OBS Studio, no filters involved anywhere in my setup. Raw audio, plug in and play. That's crazy. To have a microphone that sounds this good straight out of the box is literally insane. I've never, in all of the microphones that I've reviewed, in all like 4, I think that I've done, I've never ever had it sound this good plugged in and just playing normally. No setup required. People try so hard with filters and stuff to get their microphone sounding like this one does, just straight out of the box. I know I can stop the glaze, but at the same time, this is the easiest setup I've ever had for any microphone I've ever reviewed at all. Oh, it just keeps on getting better. You have a second microphone. You have 2 of them. Here are some key features about these microphones. The True Diversity circuit design ensures reliable transmission with minimal feedback and cutoff. This is true. I haven't had any kind of issues with connectivity in the whole hour that I've been using this. Dual channel design with 1,000 selectable frequencies for each microphone. That's 2,000 different frequencies, if you think about it. Up to 100 meters long operational range in line of sight with the device, but as you can see, it even works outside the line of sight. I literally went outside and it was still working perfectly fine. Auto scan quickly locates the optimal frequency to operate on so that you don't have a bunch of interference if you have other devices that are also trying to operate at certain frequencies. You have a built-in squelch setting that minimizes white noise by fine-tuning the squelch level. You have a lock function which secures your chosen channel and maintains your settings. And even on the website, it says both the receiver and the transmitters are built like a tank with durable all-metal construction and an elegant matte finish. The webcam does not do it justice, but this thing looks insane, feels extremely quality. I could probably throw this at the wall and boil it in my pot and it would be perfectly fine. Just saying, like, I feel like I could do that. I'm not going to do that, but I feel like I could. I was having way too much fun with the webcam and the microphones. It's time to wrap this review up. I will say, in conclusion, this, out of all of the microphones I've ever reviewed, has been the best sounding straight out of the box with no fine tuning necessary to get the best sound possible. It sounded absolutely insane, straight out of the box, plug in and play, and you have so many more settings in this device that I just haven't been able to experience because I don't have a professional audio setup. Whether you're trying to start a podcast, you need something for your church or an event center, the setup for these microphones could not have been simpler. They sound so good. I know I'm glazing this a lot, but I feel like it's deserved, and it just sounds so good out of the box. I can't wait to invite all my friends over for karaoke to just absolutely annoy the neighbors. It's gonna be great. Also, it supports up to a 3 multi-system setup. You could have 3 of these racks all working simultaneously with 6 microphones at the same time. I don't think I even know 6 people. If you want to pick up these microphones for yourself, these are the Phenyx Pro PTU-2U-2H True Diversity Dual Wireless Microphone System. Check it out on their website. They're amazing. The link for the product will be in the description for you to purchase down below. If you stayed to the very end and watched the entire video, seriously, thank you so much. Like, you guys really make my day. I'm still small enough to where I see all of your comments, all of your interactions. I love reading comments, answering questions. If you have any kind of question, seriously, put it down below. I will answer it because I loved seeing all of the interactions on my channel. I'm trying so hard to make this work. Thank you so much to Phenyx Pro for sending this out. This really means a lot to me. I'm gonna make 3 more videos on more things that they have sent out. This isn't it. They're on my shorts page. Check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Huge thanks to Phenyx Pro for sending out their dual wireless microphone system. I almost messed up saying that. Link will be in the description. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Peace.